Hiccups, those pesky involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, can strike at the most inconvenient times. They're caused by a sudden, involuntary contraction of the diaphragm, followed by the closure of the vocal cords. Common triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or swallowing air while chewing gum. While there's no guaranteed cure, popular remedies include holding your breath, drinking water from the opposite side of the glass, or eating a spoonful of sugar. For persistent hiccups that last more than 48 hours, it's best to consult a doctor, as they may indicate an underlying condition. Remember, most cases of hiccups resolve on their own within a few minutes to a few hours, so try to relax and let nature take its course.